Is it enough to imitate the shape of a bird's wing when designing an airplane wing? Or, why can birds fly without getting tired? Let's find out. Hello. Welcome, my dear. So nice to see you again.
Good morning.
Let's go. The air at the tips of a jet plane's wings rapidly swirls as it flies, and the drag from these vortices raises fuel consumption. Besides that, after an airplane takes off, other planes flying nearby can roll. That's why other planes departing from the same runway must wait, in order to give the vortices time to disperse. Engineers working on airplanes have found a solution to lessen these issues. What is their answer? Winglets. They make the tips of airplane wings bend upwards. Their design inspiration came from soaring birds like buzzards, eagles, and storks of turned wingtip feathers. Consider this. The feather on the large bird's wingtips bend upward during flying, until they are nearly vertical. This arrangement achieves a balance between the greatest lift and minimal wing length. Additionally, it raises performance. Similar-looking airplane wings have been created by engineers. They discovered through creative wind tunnel testing that the redesigned wings might boost airplane performance by up to 10% or more if the tip was precisely curled and aligned with the airflow. The reason: winglets reduce drag by condensing the vortice's size.
Look, there are many parrots passing.
The Encyclopedia of Flight adds that winglets also provide a type of push that counteracts part of the typical drag of the airplane. As a result, winglets help airplanes fly further, carry more weight, and have shorter wings, which also makes parking easier and use less fuel. For instance, according to a NASA news release, airlines saved 2 billion gallons of jet fuel worldwide in 2010 and helped to significantly lower aviation emissions. So, what do you think? Did soaring birds' upturned wingtips result from evolution? Or was it designed? Based on what an engineer in creating an airplane? Oh no.
Woo!
Do the feathers on the wingtips of large birds bend upward while flying?
Yeah!
Learned from the bird's wing what is added on the airplane wing.
Yeah! Well done!
Good job. It's over, my dear. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you are happy. There is another interesting video you can see about animal wonders. See you again.